What's up everybody, Zami here. I'm hoping you're having an amazing day. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna have ship ice, kakigori. But today we're gonna have limited time kakigori, the tiramisu. So if you like coffee, if you love tiramisu, this is one you don't want to miss. So yes, I love coffee, so I look forward to try this one. So enjoy the video, guys. Alright guys, so this is our tiramisu kakigori. Oh, what's that? Just coffee?
Coffee, yes.
Well. Yes, this is iced coffee again. Spicy?
Yeah.
Yes, iced coffee. So I got this thinly shaped ice with what cream is this? And they put some coffee powder on it. Let's try the cream first. Cocoa powder, not coffee. Oh, sorry guys, it's cocoa powder, not coffee. Yes, definitely cocoa powder. This is cream. This is cream.
Chocolate.
It looks like normal white cream. It's like normal white cream. Then let's try this candy shaped ice.
Is it very yummy?
Nice. Okay, so let me taste the ice again. Can't really tell you the taste. It's almost like a milky shape again. In milk, eh? Sure. Milk ice, okay. Now is the best part. Let us see what is hidden inside there.
Cream. There's a cream ingredient.
Let me turn this around. Oh yeah. Okay, this is the cream. Look at that. Oh, and there's a touch of bread or biscuit.
Can I have you?
Wow. Look at that. The coffee doesn't mix with the chocolate powder. So you get that amazing water droplet effect.
Oh, that's good, nice.
Yes. Oh, that I don't know, that biscuit or something inside there.
Oh, I don't know.
You can really taste bitterness of your coffee.
Oh yes, it's a cookie.
Huh?
What?
A slight bitterness of the
Is it
coffee.
also yummy?
You want to try this one?
Yeah, is it?
Oh, it's a Cocoa Pops.
It's a Cocoa Pops.
There's a Cocoa Pops inside.
Oh yeah, the coffee definitely.
I know.
Macam roti. Ni yang betul lah. There's a cake. Lady finger. There's a cake.
Yeah.
Tiramisu.
Yep. This is the cake. This is the cake.
Oh, it's a cake. Ah. It's a
Cake,
cake.
I got all these rice balls. Okay, actually the coffee is a coffee syrup. That's why I don't mix with the chocolate powder. But anyway, I love this one. Yeah, I like it. There is a cake inside there with some rice ball. So yeah, this one is definitely a thumbs up for me. So okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to press thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you liked Chef Ice, don't forget to press thumbs up too. So do subscribe to my channel for more food videos. I see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.